President Joe Biden, Vice President Kamala Harris, former President Donald Trump, and Senator J.D. Vance set aside their differences to honor the 23rd anniversary of the September 11th attacks. All four leaders gathered in New York on Wednesday, September 11th, for a commemoration ceremony at Ground Zero in Manhattan. In a notable moment, Trump and Harris greeted each other with a handshake and exchanged smiles before the solemn proceedings. This encounter followed their first in-person meeting during the presidential debate held on Tuesday night, September 10th. However, there was no visible interaction between Vice President Harris and Senator J.D. Vance, Trump's running mate, at the 9/11 Remembrance event.